Well, hey guys, this is Simon from Tunnel.com and today we make another very quick installation guide, this time for your RAM. And go! First open your RAM slot on your mainboard. After that, take a look at your RAM configuration. You could find this in the user manual or quick installation guide of your mainboard. In the next step, align the RAM module with the slot and check if the notch in the socket fits into your RAM. When you find the right position, press the module with a little bit of force down until you hear a little click. If the little securing brackets snapped in and the RAM isn't broken, you did alright. And finish. Congratulations, you successfully installed your random access memory. If this video was helpful for you, please press like and subscribe. Thank you and bye.